day 27 and it's raining. It's 11:30 in the morning. So late. I'm hungover. It's raining. It's cold. But I gotta do it. Stick to the plan. We had a barbecue at home last night. Stayed up until like 2:30, 3. And this morning, of course, at 6 I was awake. But I managed to fall asleep again. And here I am. I'm actually looking forward to go in the water under the rain. It's only, the problem is to get out there. But once you're in, it's fine. I'm not used to drink, that's why I'm hungover. I had 2 beers spread out in the whole night. It's like 7 hours night, 2 beers, and I'm hungover. I'm a cheap date. There's a little chalet where I can put my things and then jump in, keep them dry. It's high tide. Okay, here's the area for barbecues. This is so nice, I just want to stay in. Ah, so good. I think I can never swim in under such a rain. Ah. Ah. If you've seen the video yesterday, I told you about that rock slide. Well, it's been a big thing because that's basically, we are in Flum, and that's Outland over there, and the road over there is being destroyed from the landslide. So the landslide went all the way down and hit the road. That's there. The road is half gone. So there are shuttle boats. There's no way you can drive there. So the boats are offering like shuttle bus all day. All the many boats that do fjord safaris and tours around here. That's really great. Such a great organization. It's like they all moved for, to make it possible for people to move around between the two towns, because that's a very important connection. So, but yeah, and I can still hear the rock going until even this morning. I heard like more rock slides. So apparently here happens every time it rains a bit more. Like a lot of like vibrations, I guess. I don't know. They told me that just happened when it rains a lot. Like last year was very scary. And this year's been better. Hasn't been raining much. I mean, it's raining down. That means that it's gonna be more happening. But yeah. So that's it. Our friends actually last night had to come by boat. That's great. So if you come to live in Flum, you definitely need a boat. That's it. Okay. This was great. Best cure for hangover. Done. I'm ready for the day. And see you tomorrow. Ciao.